LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this one here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. As we can see, the price reverse and we could get the trade either from this correction or here. We didn't have really good trade setup because each of them we the only way to look for trade by having entry above the top. We could trade by this way. Anyway, for those traders, they get a trade, move their stop loss to break even. Right now, we're looking at this. We want to see whether, because since we get this sharp move, if we get any correction of lag, maybe we take the trade from here. But before that, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, the highest price we get is 413. This is the highest price for the LTC. And what we want to see whether we can get the continuation from here or not. All right, but based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. And if we move to lower time frame forward chart, similar to what we explained, the only thing is we get the reversal. But we need to get the correction trade setup before we look for the next trade. And in this case, the best is we move to lower time frame 1 hour chart. As I mentioned, if we get any correction of like here, maybe we look for the next trade. But we need to consider that if we want to take this trade, we need to see the breakout of 413, which is the highest price of the LTC. And we consideration, maybe we're looking for this trade. This is the what we're going to get, and this is what we risk. In terms of the risk and reward, if the price doesn't break the top. All right, that's why the traders they need to consider how much the risk, because if we want to get any trade from here, our stop loss should be at least below this correction. This is what we risk, and this is what we get. Okay, the best possibility is that the price can break and continue, but this is what we're looking for. But right now we're looking within what we have in terms of the risk and reward. That's why if anyone wants to get a trade from here, they should know how to manage it. If the price is not going reverse, then in terms of the risk and reward, they at least they know what's the risk and reward they're going to take for this trade. Anyway, we're looking for any correction of flag, still we can look for buy. The only thing is we need to know where we are going to look for trade to buy with the highest price of the RTC. That's why they should have the proper management. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.